Texas City asks public for help identifying strange figure outside Amarillo Zoo. The human or animal or alien is difficult to identify. Now, Mo will look up at the screen and he will forget about his laptop for a moment.
Yeah.
What are we looking at?
What is that?
It's Sonic the Hedgehog.
God. First of all, it looks like a human, like somebody standing.
Go ahead, Mo.
But at the same time,
Looks like it's wearing a fox outfit or something.
yeah,
Yeah.
it does look like he's like a little bit of a.
So we're
like
going
a Wolverine.
with human in outfit? This is the guy who's waking me up every night.
Yeah,
That's him.
He's a werewolf.
The city of Amarillo, Texas, has asked the public for help identifying a weird animal-like figure that was seen on security cameras outside the Amarillo Zoo last month. The official City of Amarillo Facebook page has turned up lots of guesses, but no one knows for sure what the seemingly bipedal cryptid could be.
Is there a video?
Of course, it was 1:25 a.m. as well.
Of course.
That's when that would happen. It's got to be human in costume.
That's what I was thinking, but I think if there was a video that we could see.
Wait
we
a
could
second. A
tell.
guy giving a piggyback ride? Go back up. Someone said a guy giving a piggyback ride. Yeah, no, go up to the picture. Let's see if is that a possibility?
It could be.
Yes, it is. That's right. It could be a guy giving a piggyback ride. It somehow looks like a fox looking at us, but
Yeah,
I'm
just
sure,
based on the silhouette.
but I'm sure it's looking the other way. It's just like this weird trick in the chain link fence. But the fact that it's a zoo as well, where it was captured,
There seems to be a
is intriguing.
high security there with the barbed wire.
Well, yeah, on the other side of the fence, I presume that this individual is on the public side of the fence. And
Yeah.
this is the zoo. The camera's inside the zoo.
Oh,
So it's looking out. And I don't know, maybe it's a piggyback. I don't know. Why are you
video
doing it? Why are you
will
doing a
solve the
piggyback ride
problem, I think.
1:25 a.m.? What are you up to? I want to know what you're up to. It's weird. It's definitely weird. But, you could easily just put on a weird costume, walk past cameras, and cause all kinds of problems on Gizmodo.com.
yeah.
It's
what I
really
do on the
not that
weekends.
hard to do.
Maybe it's the Armadillo Zoo.
Well, people are
Amarillo Zoo.
Oh, you think this is an inside job?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're just trying to get their name out there.
they're like, we have a new species sighted. Shout out notice. It could also be a furry. Do you know what those are?
Mm-hmm.
What is it, Mo?
People who like to dress up as
That
thing.
What is it?
No, now you're being funny about it.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
No, someone said in the
People-
chat. What is it?
You're being funny.
People who like to dress up as furry animals or characters. No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're
Okay.
correct.
Why? Why do they do that, Mo?
I don't know. They enjoy it. It's their interest. You know how I feel about my interest.
Are you sure about this?
Uh-huh.
How do you know so much?